ata. Hi guys! Ano na? Salamat ha. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Talaga naman, nagpuyat kayo ha. Of course, anniversary month special pa rin po ng Benny Davis Live. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kabidabs natin online, abroad, and worldwide. Fans, followers, and viewers, hello po sa inyong lahat. The best way to celebrate the anniversary. Abubulol ako.
Baby talk.
Ba't ako nagbe-baby talk? Hindi naman ako nakainom. Mali yun ah. The best way to celebrate the anniversary, of course, is with your friends Tina and Johnny. Hi guys. Kamusta kayo?
Cheers.
Hello.
High five tayo. Kasi
High five.
High five. Bonjour.
Ayun, unahin muna natin. Shout out sa mga kulot. Go Tina.
Mabuhay. Well, happy anniversary sa inyong lahat. Happy Independence Day sa buong Pilipinas.
Tama.
Happy at good morning, good evening at good night sa lahat ng tao po sa buong mundo. Hindi lang po tayo limitado dito sa Pilipinas. Kumbaga, ako po si Tina V, the Crafty Mama, at dito po ako sa Manila, Philippines.
Hype na hype. Galing. Salamat. Shoutout sa mga kulot. Shoutout naman sa may bangs. Hello sa mga nakabangs. Ganon na. Uy,
Frozen.
ikaw na.
Wait,
Kala mo, ikaw lang marunong mag-prank?
Shoutout sa mga
Ay.
may bangs. At ang original na Sweet Baby Talk.
Yun.
ayun.
Yung original na nabubulol. Gaya-gaya ka,
Ayan.
sir. But anyway, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At sa pagpapatuloy po ng anniversary, nabubulol talaga. Anniversary ng
Inumpisahan
Benny
ko
Davis
eh.
Live, 5th anniversary. Ito po, the quest continues, sabi nga nila. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang paghahanap namin ng mga one of a kind talent po ng mga kababayan po natin sa buong mundo, no? Yung mga Pilipino na namamayagpag sa kanilang mga kanya-kanyang eksperto at kanya-kanyang talento all over and all across the world.
Yes.
At sa paghahanap po namin ng talento, hindi ko alam itong guest pala natin ngayong gabi kapitbahay ko lang pala sa North Carolina. Naghahanap pa ako sa buong mundo, no? Akalain mo nga naman no? And then nung narinig ko yung song niya, sabi ko, ganda niya itong song na to Sabi ko, kasi hindi niya na itatanong, believe ako sa mga tao na ang daming alam. Yung parang jack of all trades, parang ganun na, etong taon to, composer, songwriter, author, physical therapist, nurse, anything imaginable, nasa kanya na po lahat. So, papakilala na ba natin, Sir Benny?
Pakilala natin, wag na
Ladies
natin
and gentlemen,
patagalin pa.
Ladies and gentlemen, hailing from Iloilo, Philippines, and from Bermuda Run, Clemens, North Carolina, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Angelo Defensor.
Defensor, yay!
Hi, kamusta?
Yay, Angelo.
Hi,
Welcome.
Good evening from North Carolina and good morning to the Philippines. And kung saan ran kayo, good evening or good morning. Hello
Yun.
guys.
Shoutout muna, Angelo, sa iyong family or
Shout
friends.
out to all my friends probably they're working at the moment. Usually Monday to Friday, and then weekend they're off.
Okay,
Shout out to them, and shout out to my
team replay.
shout out to my kids, Joshua, Elijah, and Cedric, and to my wife Ella.
Yun.
Yun. Hi, Ella. Ella. Ella.
Muntik na tayo sabay. Pasok.
Alam mo na yung wavelength. Bring
Tama na,
wavelength
Rihanna.
natin.
Tama na, Rihanna, okay?
Uy, teka, bago tayo mag-umpisa, total, tomorrow is Father's Day, so happy
Oh,
Father's
yeah.
Day sa
Yun.
inyong lahat.
Uy, salamat. Happy
Hey.
Father's Day.
Walking happies. Yeah, mga tatay, ganyan. Happy
Oo.
Mga
Father's
tatay,
Day.
happy Tatay's Day, happy Father's Day sa ating mga dakilang ama.
At sa mga tumatayong tatay at nanay,
Yes.
mga single parents din. Hello
Oh,
po
yes.
sa
Yun.
inyo lahat. Shout out sa
Yeah.
inyo.
Mm-mm.
Correct. O yun, magsimula na tayo. Angelo, how do you do it? Johnny Rhythm, si Frank, he mentioned earlier, you're a physical therapist, you're a nurse, you're an author, and a composer-songwriter. Which came first? Anong nauna muna? Okay lang ba? Kahit
Sure,
ano
sure.
lang. Ayan. Go ahead.
History. So graduated physical therapy sa in a small hometown in Iloilo. So I practiced there for a year or so, and then I have a friend working in the United Kingdom. So they helped me get a job there. And then initially I was working in a nursing home, and they have this program sa UK wherein they can sponsor to study nursing. Everything is free,
Oh,
and
nice.
they even give you allowance for that.
Wow.
Wow, that's great.
So I got a credit because I studied physical therapy, mga medical background.
Mm-mm.
So it was less. I studied like 2 years nursing, and then I graduated. I started working in the hospital.
In
I kinda like
UK.
it. Yeah, in the UK. I feel much better working as a nurse compared to PT, I think, because it's more diverse. A lot of opportunities, and especially, working overtime. Because PT is Monday to Friday.
Correct.
You
Weekends off.
don't work in the weekend. But nurses, you can do Saturday and Sunday. So you can do overtime. So yeah, a lot of opportunity in terms of finances. It can help you.
And benefits.
Diversity as well.
How long were you a nurse, Angelo, back in UK?
So nag-start ako 2008, and then I finished the nursing for late 2010, and I
Wow.
started working 2011.
So 2 years mo lang kinuha.
Yeah,
2 years lang.
I got a
Kasi may
credit,
mga credited subjects
Yeah.
na, di ba? Na,
like
Yung mga
anatomy,
medical subjects na.
physiology.
Correct.
Yeah,
Anatomy,
it takes like
physiology.
6 months, yeah, for those subjects
Mhm.
to tackle. So, but then 2019, so si Mrs. She applied for visa, US visa. We cannot think that it's not gonna work because it's a long time. It's more than 9 years waiting. But then recently, 2019, we got a message from the US.
USCIS,
Yeah, that
immigration.
we need to have a medical checkup. So
Wow.
it's a rush, actually. We didn't expect that we're gonna come to the US.
But you guys were all settled in UK.
We are okay. It's a bit stressful there because in the morning, you don't drive. You take public transport and everything. It's a lot of crowds, and parking is very expensive there. You
Correct.
cannot get a car parked in your hospital. So it's much better here. A lot of space, free parking, and even the car are cheap. Parking is free. Yeah,
it's,
In North Carolina, yeah, it's free parking.
yeah.
I guess it's easier to move from London to the US compared to like moving from the Philippines to the US. Mas mabilis yung process.
Yeah, I think so.
Ganun.
Because, we're all British. We give up a Philippine passport.
Okay.
All of us, my kids, and so it's easy for us with the I transferred here. They don't require any English proficiency because I
Correct.
studied nursing there in the UK.
Mhm.
So hindi nila
Credited na siya
require.
kaagad.
Yeah,
Credited na siya.
Wow.
credited na. So I don't
That's
need to
good.
have like they call it TOEFL, English
TOEFL.
test,
Yep.
learning test,
Yeah.
Yes.
or TSE. So
TSE ngayon IELTS na. Diba?
IELTS, yeah.
IELTS.
They don't need to have IELTS for me to practice nursing here. I just need to take the board exam.
CG,
So while
wala
waiting-
ng CG. Wala ka nang dapat CG, FNS, ganun.
Wala na, no more.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
So while waiting for the visa, the US visa, you guys were still working as nurses back in UK.
So we were working. I work in a private hospital, and my wife works in a. We call it NHS, National Health Services. It's like government hospital.
Nice.
So we work until 2018, and we moved initially to California, and we didn't like California. It's so stressful for us.
So Cali muna kayo before
Yeah, for
NC.
6 months. We were there for 6 months.
months.
We stayed in.
Shout out sa
Buti
mga
na lang wala kayo
taga-California.
doon kasi baka mamaya kasama madamay kayo rin sa kwento sa wheel na ngayon doon.
I know, but we're in North.
Shout out sa mga taga-California.
San
Tama,
Francisco.
malayo sa LA.
Yeah, San Francisco.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
So from San Francisco, we have a friend here who lived here before us for at least 6 months. We're gonna find you a place to live.
So Angelo, how long have you guys stayed in California before you moved to North Carolina?
Almost 8 months na rin. Almost
8
8 years.
months.
Yeah.
But did you guys found a job when you stayed there for 8
I
months?
was working without the license. I worked as CNA.
Oh, tough
For
one.
a few months.
Save
but
some money.
But I was lucky that my sisters, we live in sister's house. So we didn't
Okay.
have to spend
Yeah,
anything.
yun ang
And
pinaka unang struggle mo rito eh.
Yeah,
Kailangan
shout out to your
sasakyan.
sister
sister, shout out to my sister in
in
San
California.
Francisco area, Feby Sao.
Which is,
And
nurse din siya, nurse din.
yeah, they're both nurses. Husband and
Oh, nice. That's good.
yeah.
Well, comparing the standard of living in California, tough din talaga siya. We just go there to visit, but not really to live there.
Yeah, to stay forever.
Shout out to Jay Weber. He's from Los Angeles, California.
But Oregon is like 1 hour, right? From
No, not really. By
The plane?
by plane, at least an hour and a half or 2 hours, and then by road, of course, by land, it's gonna be 10 to 16 hours, depending on
Oh
your
my
stops.
goodness, are you serious? 10 to
Yeah.
16 hours?
Yeah.
Maiksi pa nga yun eh.
yeah.
From us, North Carolina to California,
Oh my God.
straight 3 days.
3 days.
3 days?
Yep.
3 days.
But you
Kasama na
need
yung mga kwando na.
mga stops?
Over?
3 days. Kaya alam mo naman ako, Sir Benny, magaling ako mag-drive, mahilig ako, masipag ako. Siguro mga 1 week sa akin.
So
Siguro.
naging interstate ka dyan from here to
Oo.
California.
Ay, oo,
Ay,
galing
hindi ko pa na-try. Hindi ko pa na-try.
Pero galing niya mag-drive.
According to other people.
Totoo ah.
Sir, tama na.
Pero
Angelo, galing mag-drive.
I know a person who drove from California. He took his car from, I think, San Francisco going here.
Oh,
Tama,
gosh.
3 days.
Really?
Yeah, 3
So-
days.
Mga ganun.
But 3 days, it would entail also sleeping. I would imagine
Kasama na ron. Kasama na ron. Hindi,
somewhere.
kasi if yung non-stop na diretso from coast to coast, kasi east coast to west coast eh.
Yeah.
So non-stop siguro mga 36 to 40 hours. Diretso yon non-stop.
Yeah.
Ooh, is that
Pero
fun?
imposible yon. Imposible. Wala siguro
kain, walang tutog.
Unless meron kang kasalitan sa driving. Pero kung
Siguro
halimbawa
pwede rin,
si Johnny lang yung magdadrive papunta sa airport, gaganto.
Tanong-tanong.
May kwento yan ha. May kwento ha.
Bigla na lang magbabaw habang nagmamanaya. Sabi ko, delikado to. Magkape muna tayo. Ayan. Anyway, Angelo, sa continuation ng kwento mo, pasensya ka na. So from California, after 8 months, you guys moved to North Carolina. I guess you applied for your nursing license.
Mm.
Oh, okay.
It was like it took me time to apply for a nursing license because that time was COVID.
Oh gosh,
The,
na-timingan ka.
by COVID.
Mm.
It was around
Oh.
2019. I remember like calling my school from UK to transfer my papers.
Your
Hard
credentials.
job.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, walang tao. There's no person around in the school because of the COVID. There's no staff.
Sarado lahat.
Yeah, it took me a while. Like I had to wait like 1 year at least,
Oh my.
Wow.
Oh
1
gosh, you waited
year?
1 year.
or even 2 years to get my papers here, and eventually get my can sit to my exam.
Pero si Mrs. may nakasecure na siya ng
Yeah, she was secured
job
even
dyan sa...
before. Mm.
Okay. That's good.
But
Like,
before you
sa,
guys...
sa London siya kumuha ng exam,
nice.
then nakapasa. So she's registered even before she got to US.
Oh, that's good. That's
But before you guys moved to North Carolina, your wife was employed already with the...
Because board
Sa
exam, you
hospital.
need to be licensed in a certain state.
Yeah.
So she cannot practice in California. She can only practice in North Carolina.
Oh,
So yeah,
so apply again another one.
yeah, she needs to apply another one, but it's easier. She doesn't need to take the exam anymore.
That's the best part.
Oh,
Oh,
Siguro
yung
naman-
waiting
siguro
time
naman
lang
online
talaga,
na lang.
yung oras lang ang problema rin yung
oras.
lalo
na.
during that time yung pandemic napakatahimik.
Yep.
So talagang kailangan mo talaga na may ginagawa ka para to keep yourself
Same. Yeah.
especially yung mental health mo
Tama.
Right.
na kuan, di ba? During that time.
Paano yung mental health? Dahil-
Hey, Benny!
Sir Benny, nakakarami ka na.
Happy Father's Day. Alam naman ni
Happy
Tina.
Hey, Happy
We will
Father's Day, happy
monetize
anniversary.
Wait. Mental health. Mental health. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, di ba? Oh, pati si Angelo, no?
Angelo.
Game na game na.
O yun, Angelo, so after your wife got employed, at least na-settled na kayo sa North Carolina, was that the time then that you also applied for your nursing license then? Or, I mean, you took the exam, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the time we're settled. She started her job in Wake Forest. So I used to
Ang
work.
makasaysayang Wake Forest.
Ay,
Yung Atrium Health. Nag-work ako ron ng 14 years.
Shout out,
Year?
mga taga Wake Forest.
14 years.
Yeah.
Wake
Ikaw,
Forest.
Sir Johnny,
Atrium, hindi. It used to be Wake Forest University Baptist Medical Center. That this was like 18 years ago, and then it became Baptist Medical Center, and then ngayon pangalan niya is Atrium Health Wake Forest Baptist. Ngayon.
you know what, Johnny? They changed the name again to Advocate. It's a new company again.
Ay, advocate na ngayon?
Mm.
Ako, tagal na ako hindi nakakapunta ron.
Punta tayo
Just to
sa
update
October.
you.
October pa na tayo. Hindi tayo nakapunta, sir. Sayang last year, no? Hindi kasi sa kalaman mo, Angelo, andito rin si Sir Benny. Nandyan din pumunta sila last year sa North Carolina.
Sa North Carolina, yeah.
Wait,
Oo.
anong gagawin niyo anong gagawin niyo? Ba't
Sa
yun?
October?
Magaganong.
Magaganong ka sa
Mental health kayo?
mental health kami.
Hindi,
Magme-mental health kami,
Mental
pero
health.
yung
magme-mental
Yung-
check kami. check
Kaya
namin
nyo,
kung
kayo lang ako eh.
Pero yung beverage-
sanity namin. Oh.
correct, pero yung beverage namin modelo.
I'm inviting you guys, Sir Benny, Sir Ma'am Tina, visit kayo sa North Carolina. It's a small town here. Pero maraming mga mapuntahan like where you're accessible to beach like 3 hours from us.
Nice.
And then,
that's nice.
Wow.
Mga mountains.
we have a Blue Ridge Mountain.
Blue Ridge
You know,
Mountain.
You heard about the song sa
Yeah.
anong song yun? Na
Country Road. Country
yeah,
Road.
Rocky.
Country
yeah,
Road.
Mountain. Yeah.
Take me home.
Take me home.
To
To the place.
Yeah.
Where I
I
belong.
belong.
Mga-
Ganda ng boses ni Tin.
2 hours.
Hindi, rapper ako. Gift rapper.
Maganda, maraming, kung nature lover ka, mga hiking, ganun ang hanap mo, North Carolina is the place to be.
All right. I know
Yeah.
where to go now.
Mga trail, bike trail, mga mountain bike,
Wow.
mga ganun, mga hiking. And then I'm not sure if you're familiar with the movie Richie Rich. Ay, paano ba ngayon yun? Hindi ba na-apekto ng bagyo yun? Yung Biltmore, yung
Biltmore.
Castle,
That,
Biltmore
Higit-
Estate, Castle Estate.
state, yeah.
Dun sinut yung kay
Macaulay
kay Rich
Culkin.
Rich. Oo.
Doon pala.
Really?
Doon ko lang- Nakikita ko lang yun sa Travel
2
Channel.
hours away from us sa Winston-Salem.
Mm.
There's a
Kasi-
castle?
Correct.
Saan?
Kasi ang napasyalan ko nung October nandiyan kami is Twin Peaks lang.
Twin Peaks.
Tapos
Pero, I'm not sure-
nagsara pa.
Nagsara na after. Nung pinatalong ko yung sasakyan, nagsara yung Twin Peaks.
yun lang. Nagsara na talaga.
Sobrang... But
Pero
anyway,
ano,
going back. Yeah, going
hopefully makapasyal ulit kami
Sabi
dyan.
ko na. Yeah.
Yeah, we are welcome kayo dito sa North Carolina.
Appreciate that, Angelo.
Anong
So,
food?
madami.
Sorry
Sorry, madami.
Ano, like seafood or...
Mga
Anong
pansit,
food?
ganun.
Pansit.
Lumpia.
Lechon. Hindi, totoo. Totoo. Ang dami Filipino food.
Nakakainis naman kayo eh. Pupunta ako dyan. Dami ko dito na eh. Ano ba?
Pumunta ng Amerika para kumain ng Pilipino.
Oo
Pag
nga.
ng Pilipinas.
Kakaiba naman, guys.
Hindi, kasi nung pumunta si na Sir Benny dun diyan sa North Carolina, may mga friends kasi ako. So mayroon akong African friend from Liberia. Nag-asa ko sa kanya na magluto ng African na dish which is called hot pepper soup. It's actually a mixture of everything ng lahat. Chicken, fish, pork, beef, pwedeng lahat, paghalulin. And then meron siyang fufu. Parang siopaw ang itsura niya. So, yun yung kwan ko. And then, meron din tayong mga kaibigan na, syempre, mga Filipino, lechon belly, ganun, and everything. Ganun yung kinan namin.
So, pinakain sa amin ni Johnny nung nandun kami, bali, lechon kawali, sinigang na lechon.
Puro Filipino.
Naman.
Sisig na lechon.
Well, kung sabik kayo doon, okay lang naman, di ba?
Sisig na
Okay lang.
lechon. Tapos,
Oh,
ano pa
sarap
ba?
yun.
Tinolang lechon.
Pinulang lechon. So, kami nila Jay, tsaka ni Zoe, hi Zoe, ang tawag namin nung araw na yun is lechon overdose.
Lechon.
That's
Tao
sweet.
namin, puro pang high blood eh.
Oo, tama. O hindi. Pero anyway, napapahaba yung kwentuhan. Angelo, nung naging nurse ka na, are you already employed at that time?
You're talking about
When you get to have your when you pass your
NCLEX.
your NCLEX, CGFNS ba? NCLEX.
NCLEX.
And oh yeah, NCLEX.
so from NCLEX, I had to wait until ma-release nila for a certain period of time, like at least 3 months. And then may kakilala ko sa isang floor ward na nurse. Sabi niya available ang job, so in-applyan ko.
Pilipino rin.
Yeah, kasi I think also we have one manager. My wife's floor has a same manager na in-applyan ko. So kakilala. Sabi
Pilipino
niya,
yung manager.
ang manager American.
Okay.
Puti.
Mm.
Okay.
So that's my first job sa neurosurgery department.
Oh, nice. 10-hour shift, 12-hour shift.
It's a 12-hour.
Oh,
I'm doing
Tama.
nights all the time.
nights ka lagi.
Yeah, nights. Yeah,
Oh,
I've been doing nights.
Up to now, you're still working
Nights,
on
oh.
nights. Okay ka lang sa
nasa-
puyatan?
Actually, nasa work siya ngayon, sir. Gumawa lang siya ng studio.
Really?
No! Really?
Hindi ka pwede medyo
Tina-
busy. Oh.
Tinawag ka masyado maniwala kay Johnny rin.
Pero nag-transfer ako from neurosurgery to another department. I'm working in acute care now of the elderly.
That's good. Galing. Bilis ng transition.
Hmm.
Ngayon ang tanong ko sa iyo, Angelo, comparing workload from physical therapist and nurse, which is better for you?
PT, I used to work in outpatient department, PT, in the Philippines. Workload in the morning, you can treat a patient for 1 hour to 2 hours. So mga tatlong patient in the morning, and then I think 6 patient the whole day.
The whole day.
It depends on the treatment plan for the patient. Yeah.
So
I don't know.
which is more difficult for you, being a physical therapist or a nurse?
Um,
Parehas lang.
so medyo mahirap ng nursing, but it's more time with the patient. You'll get to know the patient. You're working bedside, so
And more
you can develop more rapport in the relationship with the patient.
As a
more,
nurse.
more challenging siya, no? Kasi marami ka
challenging.
natututunan.
Yeah, more
Every
challenging,
day.
but yet satisfying because you'll get to know more about the patient. Ano kayo, you can be, friends late before their discharge. Parang magandang feeling na compared to
Nakakatulong.
PT. Yeah. Because in the PT, next week you'll have different patient. The next week after, you'll have a different patient. So paiba-iba.
So mas may connection sa
May connection.
patient.
That's right. Connection, the word. Yeah, nursing.
Ang next question ko ngayon sa'yo, saan ngayon papasok dito ang songwriting at composing?
In music.
Nagsimula ka as a physical therapist, ngayon nurse ka. And I heard meron ka ring book na nirelease because you're an author as well.
Yeah.
So, saan pumasok dito na songwriter and composer ka?
So tracing way back, even before, in my younger years, like 6 years old, I'm really fond of music. I used to sing with my parents. They're listening to Matt Monroe. I don't know if you heard. Mga
Of course.
yeah.
Kapanahonan ni Sir Benny yun.
Frank Sinatra music. We used to sing together with my dad. And then I love music. And then it's one of my bucket lists wherein in my life I told myself, okay, I'm gonna make one book. That's one of my bucket lists. And I'll compose a song. So I achieved my bucket list.
Galing
So
naman.
pinaka first love mo talaga music.
Yeah, first love.
First
Music.
love talaga pinakauna sa lahat ng music. Totoo yun.
Tapos
Music talaga.
making a book and then putting up online business.
Multi-talented, multitasker ka, Angelo. Kamusta naman ang tulog mo?
Walang tulog.
Oh gosh. Kamusta ang tulog mo?
Grabe,
At saka kamusta ang balance sa work, music, and family, and kids, and wife? Kamusta naman?
Okay naman. I spend a lot of time with my kids.
Okay.
In fact, one of my kids is playing basketball. I just, play with him in the afternoon. Tinuturuan ko mga moves ng basketball, although I'm not good with the basketball. Tinuturuan ko pa rin siya. So I take time to spend with my family.
Spend quality time at least
Tapos
with
may
the
rin
kids.
ako. I'm also dealing with my TikTok page.
Wow.
I got 350 followers.
Wow.
50.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sana all. Ako
Yeah.
one follower
Good job.
lang Sarili ko pa yata.
Ako tatlo
Medyo
lang
busy.
follower. Tatlo lang follower ko, si Tina, si Johnny, tsaka yung sarili ko.
Oh.
Loyal.
So busy, I'm doing online. Tapos nagti-TikTok ako. Tapos kuminsan. Okay lang. Medyo pagod pero it's okay. You live once. You have to make most of your life.
Correct. Angelo, yung TikTok content mo, what would it be? What is it about?
It's about prayers and gospels. Yeah, Bible.
Oh, inspirations.
Yeah.
Inspirational verses.
You know,
That's good.
Because I think,
Go ahead, Tin.
because I'm thinking, most of mga teenage, they don't go to church anymore. So
Yeah.
one way of,
Right.
sharing the gospel to the teenagers. Through
That's
TikTok.
good.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Tin, go ahead. You were saying something.
Na-amaze ako kay Sir Angelo kasi imagine mo, ikaw na talaga. Parang akala ko multitasking ako, pero natutuwa ako kasi parang you were able to author a book. Tapos now you even have time to do TikTok. You have content na parang iba-iba yung ginagawa mo, no?
Tapos meron pa siyang
Nakaka-amaze,
online
nakakatuwa.
business.
Oo, may online business pa
Oh,
siya. Oh my God.
really?
Ano,
Sir,
Game
ano po yung
Stick
online
Pro?
business niyo, sir?
So I do
What's with that, sir?
e-commerce. It's called drop shipping. So I source the product from Asia, from Thailand, from China, and then I transport here in the US.
Okay naman ang flow. Okay naman
Okay
so
naman.
far.
Medyo mahirap. There's a lot of, customer service, like management.
Mhm.
But it's
That's
okay.
part of the game. That's part of the game.
You mean the product?
No. I mean yung mga ganyan, yung mga challenges.
yeah,
Customer
yeah.
service.
Customer
Yeah,
it's
customer
part of the
service.
Mga ganyan.
Yeah.
Part talaga
Tra-
ng kanyan.
It's
Troubleshoot.
the process. Yeah. Tama.
Sobrang busy pala tong si Angelo. Angelo,
Kaya salamat sa oras
Well,
ngayon.
salamat sa oras mo. Nakwento rin sa akin ni Sweet Baby Talk Johnny Rhythm tungkol dun sa libro mo. This would be it. If you could just share to us.
Sa mga, lalo-lalo na po sa mga kaedaran po namin ni Sir Benny. Kailangan po
Ano yun?
na.
Ano yung naisip mo?
Grabe.
Ano yung na-inspire para gawin mo tong book na to? Guys, kindly
So
check this out. This one, Stronger Back, Longer Career.
So problema sa healthcare is back pain eh. Because you're dealing especially here in the US, patient has like more demands, I would say. So this is to share to my colleagues and to all healthcares, some exercises, like strategies, how to deal with back pain and how to prevent back pain, like proper posture and what to do if you have back pain. Some exercises there
Very
included.
galing. Some exercises like stretching.
Stretching,
Good.
strengthening. So stretching and strengthening exercises, nandyan. It's a short, concise book, but it's I think it's worth to view the book. It's
So for our followers or viewers who are watching right now, where can they purchase this book?
oh yeah. So you can go online to Amazon and you can search my name. You can see
Wow,
it.
Amazon, galing.
Yeah, Amazon US. I think it's available in the UK too.
Mm-mm.
I'm afraid it's not available sa Philippines though. Ang Amazon, sorry.
Mga kung nandun, limited lang eh.
Oo, walang Amazon sa US unfortunately.
Ano sa Philippines?
Sa Philippines,
Tama?
walang Amazon. O, walang
I think-
Amazon
I
sa
think
Philippines
meron, pero
kasi
wag lang-
Lazada and Shopee sila eh.
Lazada. Mga
Shout
ganun.
out sa mga taga Lazada and Shopee.
Baka naman. Pwede nyo kami sponsor.
Amazon through Lazada or no?
No, Lazada is like exclusive.
They're more on China. They direct from China yung mga
products.
mga products na parang Alibaba. Ganun. But anyway,
Galing naman ni Angelo. Oh my gosh. Amazon available, guys. Check this out. Stronger Back, Longer Career. Especially if you guys are lifting all the time on your feet the
Sir Benny,
entire day.
kailangan mo to. Sir Benny, kailangan mo to.
Yeah. Stronger Back, Longer Career, a practical guide to protecting your back and extending your career. Ganda nito. I have to check this out.
Thank you, Sir Benny.
Ayun.
But
Angelo,
anyway,
go ahead.
may question
Jan.
lang ako kay Angelo. No? So going back to your music, so your passion for music, no, what made you decide to pursue this intense interest or deep love for music? So sabi mo nga na sa kabila ng mga profession mo, mga PT ka, and then nurse ka, and then author ka pa, and then may online business ka pa. So ano ang nagtulak pa sa'yo para i-pursue itong love for music?
Okay. Going back to my composition, Loving Summer. So it's a reminder of my special memory with my family, especially sa parents ko. They're all gone. Mom and dad just died 2 years ago.
I'm sorry
So
to hear that.
it's inspiration for me. It's like a memory, sweet memory when I was back home in the small hometown in Iloilo.
Mhm.
Every Sunday we go to church, and afterwards we go to the beach.
Yes.
Spending time with
Mm.
them until sunset. So
Wow.
I want to immortalize this song.
Wow.
Mhm.
Uh, it's just a memory for my parents, and
Dedicated para sa
yeah,
kanila.
yeah,
Mhm.
and to my small hometown, Iloilo. Very near sa beach, mga 30 minutes lang yung bahay namin.
Malapit
So
lang.
I think when
Oh.
I wrote that song, I think of my hometown and parents.
So kailan mo,
Actually,
I'm sorry, Sir Ben.
go ahead, Jenny. Go ahead,
Kailan
Jen.
mo na conceptualize tong song na to? Kailan mo na naisip isulat to? Recently
So-
lang ba or it took years na para gawin mo to na parang hindi agad-agad na kasi nga sabi mo nga through memories, di ba, na mula sa pagkabata mo. So, kailan mo na finalize tong song na to or kung gaano katagal mo na ginawa tong song na to?
So the song, whenever I feel sad, I write one verse,
Mhm.
ganyan.
Oh.
Until I materialize the song. It took me maybe a year. So
Okay.
whenever I feel sad, I remember my parents, especially my mom. She used to live with us here in North Carolina for several years.
Yes.
Oh, she gets the chance to be with you guys.
Yeah.
So,
in that-
dito na
That's
siya na,
great.
Juan.
Oo, nandito na siya sa amin.
Sa North Carolina, yes, I heard, narinig ko yun, sir, pero I didn't have the chance to go to sa kwan nga ng mother niya. Sa North Carolina rin mismo na
Yeah.
nagkwan yung mother niya.
Tapos nandito na rin siya nalibing. She was burned
Oh.
here.
Okay.
So every time I feel, depressed and sad and down, I tend to write something, So little by little, I conceptualize and materialize the song. So it
So, yun
probably,
yung... Sige, bro. Go ahead.
probably a year or more to
So,
complete
doon
the-
nag-start right after kay mama, kay mother mo.
Yeah,
Doon ka
yeah.
nag-start na isulat tong I'm Loving Summer.
Yeah.
Mhm.
That's where I started to write because of
Yeah.
her memory.
Ang galing, no? Ganun din mostly ng mga songwriters, composers, and singers.
Oo.
Kung kailan sila sad, kung kailan sila, alam mo yun, depressed or going through grief, doon pa sila nakakagawa ng magandang masterpiece. I remember couple of episodes back, si Sir John Ablaza, when his mom and his brother died, the more he got inspired of doing more creations. And I also do remember vividly. I was so sad back in 2020. I feel incomplete, or I feel I haven't achieved anything with my career. And then all of a sudden, why won't I do my own live stream and build our own radio station? Alam mo yun, parang kung kailan ka malungkot, kung kailan ka feeling mo incomplete ka, doon ka pa talaga makakaisip ng mabuti. In which parang kay Angelo, ganun din pala nangyari sa kanya.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Sir Benny. Yeah.
Thank you, Angelo.
Totoo
And
yun.
guys, alam nyo ba, good news na naman. With Angelo Defensor's approval and permission, exclusively, you guys will witness and hear I'm Loving Summer here, exclusively in Benny Davis Live at 89.5 The Playroom. Right about now, Angelo, please kindly introduce your song before we play it on the air.
So the title is I'm Loving Summer. So basing from my inspiration, childhood memories, so it was a concept before. It took me ages, like a year or so to complete the song. But hopefully you'll love the song. It's a personal. I put my emotion in it, and so the reason why I wrote the song, I just want to immortalize it, to stay until for a long time. And I give permission to the radio station 89.9, the Playroom, to play my song.
All right.
Hopefully you'll love it, guys.
Guys, hopefully you're gonna like it, and we do really loved it earlier. We kindly check this out. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Watch this.
Golden skies, warm breeze, I'm feeling so alive. Footprints on the sand, chasing dreams with every tide. The sun is painting stories across the open sky. Laughter in the distance, sweet freedom in our eyes. Barefoot on the pavement, know where we need to be. Just me in the moment, wild and running free. I am loving summer, feel the fire in my soul. Dancing in the daylight, never letting go. Waves are calling louder, hearts are beating fast. I am loving summer, hope this feeling lasts. Frozen lemonade and sunsets in my hair. Fireworks and starlight, love is in the air. Windows down, we're singing every favorite song. With every little heartbeat, summer's where we belong. I am loving summer, feel the fire in my soul. Dancing in the daylight, never letting go. Waves are calling louder, hearts are beating fast. I am loving summer, hope this feeling lasts. No worries, no goodbyes, just oceans in our eyes. Every second's golden under endless skies. Hold on to this magic, don't let it slip away. Summer's in our hearts, forever it will stay. I am loving summer, feel the fire in my soul. Dancing in the daylight, never letting go. Waves are calling louder, hearts are beating fast. I am loving summer, hope this feeling lasts. I am loving summer, hope this feeling lasts. Golden skies, warm breeze, this is where I'm free. I am loving summer, forever you and me.
Oh my.
Thank you.
Grabe.
Galing.
Galing. Naging emotional ako dun
Sorry,
sa...
naiyak ako. Naiyak ako.
Oh.
Hindi
Ako
sa
din eh.
But
That's how I am kasi when I listen to music, especially the first few times talaga, I listen to the music, I analyze the lyrics. Tapos parang for some reason, I would always have music video in my head. So I really think that's a beautiful song po, sir. It's like Ed Sheeran. Naging Pilipinas si Ed
Oo.
Sheeran.
Galing.
Ang galing po, sir.
thank you very much.
Angelo, i-add ko yan sa Sunsets playlist.
Mamaya
namin.
padala ko sa yung video, bro. I-post mo sa...
Ganda.
Yeah,
Napakaganda.
from the bottom of my heart.
Sir,
Thank you.
pa-share din sa akin.
Sure, no problem. Kasi nagkuhan ako, sinabi ko, yung vibe kasi summer vibe eh. And then summer is going to officially start June 20, couple of days from now. So, sabi ko, nag-isip ako ng ano magandang gawin sa song na to. So, naisip kong gawin yung video na yun. So, Hawaii. Ganda ng
ako naman,
Hawaii eh.
ako naman naging emotional kasi alam mo naman yung mom ni Teens kapapas na lang
Oh,
December. Tapos yung mga places na pinakita doon, yun yung mga
Taga-Hawaii
lugar na,
kasi yung
taga-Hawaii yung mother-in-law ko. So yun yung mga places
Oo.
doon na pinapasyalan nila. Kaya yun, naging emotional din ako. Napakaganda ng lyrics.
Ganda
Thank you
na
so much.
lyrics.
Yeah.
Bawat
Good job,
linya,
Angelo.
bawat linya may tagus sa puso.
Kagat. Kagat sa
Kagat.
puso. May kagat sa puso.
May kagat.
Good
Galing.
job.
Oo.
Good job, Angelo. Na-speechless
pwede
ako.
ba tayo mag-shout out? Pwede ba tayo mag-shout out? Shout out sa Department of Tourism. Kunin niyo po
Hello.
itong kampanyang to. No, seriously, it's really a beautiful song. It really hits home to me also kasi it resonates At tayong Pinoy parang talaga 'di ba? Halos parang 90% summer tas hindi, siguro 70% summer tapos tag-ulan. Summer it's always summer in the Philippines actually, almost. Even if it's tag-ulan, it feels
Summer.
like 'di ba? And
Mainit.
Mainit.
nasa
Galing ni
Ah,
Angelo.
so
Alam mo,
maraming
Angelo,
salamat.
Angelo, masasabi ko lang, isa kang henyo. Galing. Sana, nagpapasalamat ako for sharing this beautiful masterpiece, your song. We're so honored, we're so proud to play this on our radio station. That's a promise.
Parang may pagka-similarity kami nito. Konting din ako nagko-compose din
Ngayon,
ako.
nagko-compose din pala. Yeah.
Nagko-compose din ako kasi meron akong ginawa dati for Christmas kwan namin. Yun nga lang, maiksi lang. Hindi ganun ka-broad yung imagination ko. Unlike you. Kasi ikaw talagang ganda nung from start to end. Grabe, ang ganda nung pagkaka-arrange
Ganda ng
lahat.
lyrics, ng pagkakaareglo. Tsaka magaling din yung nakuha mong interpreter. Kung sino man yung nakuha mong interpreter, shout out
Mga
din.
online sila.
Good job yung...
Hindi, ito kan natin,
Yeah,
ipupush
ganda ng-
natin. Actually, may naisip ako. Kasi kung hindi man, ito naisip ko lang yung sinabi ni Ma'am Tina kanina, kung hindi man makuha yung interpreter, ay pwedeng ko ipa-interpret kay Kaloy.
Yeah. That's a
Ay,
good
oo nga
idea.
pala.
That's
Ay,
a
Kaloy
good idea.
Quimada.
Oo nga pala.
Kilala
I'm
niyo
not sure
rin si Kaloy, sir?
Hindi.
I mean, si
Yung-
Sir Angelo. Oh,
Yung kanya, naging guest na rin namin dati yun.
Shout out
Pero,
Kaloy Kimada.
Kaloy.
Hey,
I-search mo lang
Kaloy.
sa YouTube.
Mhm.
Sa si Kaloy Quimada.
pwede,
Ah,
oo. Ay, grabe.
Naisip ko yun, galing din yun. So, if
Yeah.
sabi mo nga tourism, Department of Tourism pwedeng ma-involve dito, pwede nating ipakwan kay Kaloy, ipa-interpret sa kanya since magaling naman siya sa mga ganito.
So we
Tama.
can play
Oo,
instrument.
perfect. No?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oo, parang ikaw rin, marami ring mga kwan din, maraming alam na mga kwan, sa mga instrumento. Basta i-kwan mo na lang siya. Siguro nakita mo na siya dati, pero hindi mo alam na siya yun.
Taga North Carolina siya.
No.
Nasa
from
Philippines
Rizal.
siya.
Philippines.
Philippines, yeah.
Philippines.
Okay.
Yun yung naisip ko kanina na while yun nga pinag-uusapan nga natin yung ganito. Pwede
Galing,
ko siyang itap
galing, Angelo.
sakali. Kuha na lang natin sa tourism.
Correct.
Sure. Thank you.
Angelo, if I may ask, what is still the dream for you since you've reached at
Oo
least,
nga.
yung highlight ng career mo, ito ka na, you're composing beautiful music. What's the dream for Angelo Defensor?
So the dream for me, hopefully I'm gonna write another song later. So stay tuned. And the other one is I'd like to go back to Philippines for good. Just do
Okay.
business. Before, like I don't want to retire. Like may dami mo ng sakit. Kaya wala to pa. Mga
Sir
back
Benny,
pain or-
makinig ka.
Alay!
I want to, I want to
likod
enjoy
ko.
life before that happens to me. Like mga back pain, mga ano-ano pa dyan sa katawan. So I just want to do business later.
Yung
Um,
smooth
be-
sailing na lang, relax na lang.
Yeah, I think before.
Oh,
I hope
tapos di
before
ba
60,
nag-chill out ka na lang sa beach?
Yep.
Pinapakinggan mo yung music ni Angelo. Diba?
Yeah. Pwede.
So before 60, I would, that's my goal. But hopefully, kung if not, I'll just gonna continue working here
Angelo, how old are your kids, if I may ask?
I got college already.
You have
He's taking up
college?
computer science. Yeah,
Okay, you look so
computer
young.
science.
Oo nga.
Mm-mm.
Nasa second year.
Mhm.
And the other one has a big gap. He's only 14 years old, going to high school.
Oh.
Okay, nice.
And then
Congrats.
the last one is 12 years old pa lang.
Oh, you have 3
Ala-
kids.
Yeah,
Ala,
three
alam
boys.
ko,
All boys?
3 boys.
Oh gosh. Gulo na.
Wow.
Ang gulo dyan.
Ang saya
Joke.
doon.
They're actually okay because
Oh, they're okay. Okay,
they're
good.
just
You,
playing a computer, if not at night. Kung umaga, they're active with sports. They play basketball, they play volleyball. And one of my kid is he's a singer. He's
Oy.
singing sa church, yeah,
That's
every
good.
Sunday.
Oh, wow.
nakita ko
Yeah.
nga yung video. Oh.
Or like every 2 weeks, he's like nagko-choir sa church.
That's good. That's good. At
Yun.
least,
Oy, yun.
Sure.
Angelo, I'm so speechless with your talent and with your music. Kindly invite them if they can follow you on your social media accounts before we wrap up the entire show kasi alam ko anong oras na rin dyan.
Okay lang. We sleep late. Mga wala pa.
Oh, night version yan eh.
Yeah,
Ayun nga pala.
Mamaya pa,
I
mga
work
alas 5 pa matutulog yan.
Oh my gosh.
Ganyan yung mga yan, oh. Grabe.
6:30 yung mag-start kami ng work 6:30 until 7 in the morning. So
Oh,
I got used to waking up
oh.
this time.
Staying up all night.
Yeah, staying up all night. Anyway, I have Facebook. So Angelo A. Chavez Defensor. So you can type only Angelo Defensor and you can search me in Facebook if you want to add and follow me. I'm mostly active sa TikTok though. With my TikTok account, share prayers and gospels.
That one I would really also follow.
Yeah, I'm gonna type there, so you will see my account TikTok. Sa Facebook, I would upload just to showcase to my relatives at home in the Philippines.
Mhm.
Yeah, just to update them what's happening here sa US and kamusta mga nila, mga inaanak, yung anak ko para makita nilang yung situation namin dito.
Tama. Yun. Angelo, naku, maraming salamat
Thank
for
you
your
guys.
time.
Thank you very much.
For your time, for your
Wala,
talent.
isang question pa.
Sharing your...
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Bro, masarap ka ba magluto ng lapas batchoy?
Tsaka chicken inasal.
Saka chicken inasal.
Uy,
Nagluto ako ng batsoy but
Uy!
nawala ng tubig, natuyo.
Naubos.
paano nangyari yun?
Nakatulog
Kasi
ka.
hindi ko alam yung
Nakatulog siya, nawalan siya ng malay.
Mickey. You call it Mickey, yung
Ah,
nag-ano ng tubig.
No.
oo,
Nag-absorb.
malakas sinipsip yun.
Oo,
Oh.
kaya nawala ng tubig. So naging anong tawag?
Pansit kanto.
Pansit.
Pansit kanton ng batsoy ko.
Ilonggo si...
Di ba
Yeah.
nilalagay yung... Di ba na-imagine ko, ang bok choy kasi, parang may broth, tapos may laman-laman. Tapos yung noodles, nakahiwalay, di ba? Tapos ipopour mong ganun yung sabaw doon sa noodles.
Yun ang
Pag nag-serve
pagkamali.
ka na.
Yun ang pagkamali ko. Nilagay ko sa bag.
Oh, hiwalay, di ba? Hiwalay ang luto nung Mickey, di ba?
Oh,
Sinabay ko.
diba?
Yun ang mali.
Sinabay niya.
Ikaw ka muna lang yung sabaw.
Oo. Yun ang
Malay
mali.
mo naman, inaantok na si Angelo. Pagsamahin ko na. Ha?
So hindi na niya kailangan
Hindi, may
sagutin
na-discuss
yung tanong ko. No. Ano Ma'am Tina?
Hindi, may na-discover na bago si Sir Angelo. Ano na siya? Pansit batchoy.
Pansit.
Oo. Or
Batsoy kanton.
Patchoy Canton.
Canton. Diba?
Oh, yun.
But anyway, pag uwi ko dyan, bro, labas tayo ni Baldwin. Kasi
Sure,
barkada namin ni Baldwin
Oh.
too.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Sana
Kami ni Baldwin,
makapunta ulit kami
si
dyan sa North
Si Lester.
Carolina.
Yan, si parang Lester.
Yeah.
Parang Lester, nanonood nga pala.
Shout
Bro,
out.
Lester,
kapitbahay,
mga taga North Carolina.
Parang Lester.
Hi!
Idol yan si parang Lester. Ano yan?
Oo.
Sa band. Sa band.
Kabanda ko dati yan, si
Really?
Lester.
Yeah, kumakanta.
Kasama ko
rin
sa
yan.
banda dati si Lester.
Hmm.
Sa
my.
sa lead band, pero umalis na ako kasi may nagkaroon ako ng injury sa elbow. May hairline fracture ako. Kaya
nahirapan.
umalis na.
Ah.
Kaya sila na ninakuha, ni na Archie, ni na Edmunds, ni na Ronald, sila na lang. So,
Siya na yun,
yan.
Yung shoutout sa inyo.
ninyo? Sa band.
Archie? Sa Archie?
Si Lester.
Si Lester, magaling ng boss niyan.
magaling
Then may sarili, yun din, magaling na yun, sir. May sariling composition din yun. Ginawa niya
nice.
sa,
Siya i-feature next time kasi may ano siya, may sariling kanta rin.
Uy, galing.
Oo.
Sige, feature natin yan.
Oh.
Pero ano, nagluluto rin ba ng lapas batcho yan? Feature natin. Hindi.
Yun ang requirement.
no, no.
Yes.
Speaking of which, sir, gusto kong i-feature yung brother niya, si Cromwell, taga rito sa Pennsylvania. Meron
okay.
siyang
Sige.
food
Pwede rin
truck.
yan, oh. Magaling.
Schedule
Meron
natin
siyang
yan.
food truck dito. So,
Ay, talaga?
kakulit ko si Cromwell, kuya niya.
Yun.
Anong business niya? Anong food niya?
Food truck, Filipino food. Sa food truck. Dito
Mga
sa,
lumpia.
saan na ba yun, bro? Sa may Amish country.
Really?
Amish
Amish
country.
pala. Amish.
Amish.
Amish. Sure,
Oh, nice.
naman
Gusto,
eh.
gusto mo puntahan
Amish.
yan.
De, yun, hanapin ko
puntahan yan?
muna, ikukan ko muna. But anyway, mga friends natin dyan sa North Carolina, most special sa Clemens, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, High Point, Jamestown, Raleigh, all over North Carolina. Hello, mga kaibigan natin yan.
Hey.
Shout out sa inyo
Ako
lahat.
ng mga ako natin.
Sana
Filipino community.
mapasyalan ko ulit kayo. At
Yeah,
mapasyalan
and then,
namin Kinitina
nga,
naman.
Yeah, yung sa song ni Brother Angelo, supportahan natin kasi naniniwala ako sa mga ganitong
Talento.
mga talento. Kasi sabi ko nga, hindi naman sinasabing kung kami. Ngayon lang ako magyayabang, no? Dito sa programa namin, no? Especially
Patingin na nagyayabang.
Paano?
hindi ko kami naghahanap ng mga Pilipinong yung basta-basta lang yung talento. Kumaga parang yung primera klase po yung mga hinahanap namin dito at mga pinifeature po namin na gusto ho namin ipagmalaki sa buong mundo. Kaya ho,
Kung anong meron.
kung anong meron. Yung mga
Talent.
ganito, tignan, narinig nyo naman ho yung quality ng song. So,
Hmm.
hopefully, sana nga magtuloy-tuloy yung sabi nga ni Ma'am Tina na may promote natin through Department of Tourism. No?
Correct.
Ganda maganda talaga yung song.
Ganda. Angelo,
And then, more power.
Yeah,
Thank
more
you.
power sa'yo. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang yung beautiful journey with you and your family. Continue doing good music. Hopefully, you could share us more beautiful music. And
Yeah.
thank you for your time as well.
Thank you for your time too, guys. Salamat talaga sa
Salamat, brother, sa oras mo.
Sure.
Thank
Kita
you.
tayo pag uwi ko.
Sure,
Ayun.
sure. Anytime, if you come here sa North Carolina, you're all guys welcome here.
Uy, thank you. Sana may lapas batcho.
Ako gusto ko yung lapas pansit.
Na may sabaw. Na may sabaw.
Oy, Angelo, regards sa family and kids mo. Thank you again.
Yes. Happy
Good job.
Father's Day.
Happy
Thank you,
Father's Day,
bye-bye.
bro.
Thank you.
Thank
All right.
you.
Thank you.
Galing. As always, nice episode na naman, guys. Thank you, Angelo Defensor, for that beautiful story,
Ganda, no?
beautiful music. Galing. At galing ng areglo niya.
Amazing. Grabe. Parang ang dami niyang oras. I mean, ang galing. Kasi talagang pag nilagay niya yung mind niya sa isang bagay, talagang, I wanna write a book. Nakagawa siya ng book. I want to be like,
Hindi mo alam kung saan isisiksik yung oras mo, no?
Oo. Grabe.
Ay.
Gusto kong magsulat ng kanta, nagawa niya. Gusto kong magsulat ng libro, nagawa niya. Ako nga gusto ko lang umidlip.
Nagawa niya, di ba?
Yun na lang goal ko. Sandali lang ha. Gusto ko umidlip. Gusto ko mawalan ng malay. Ay di ko sinasadya eh.
Sir, talent din yan. Di mo ba alam yun? Talent. Hindi lahat ng tao ganyan.
oh,
Diba?
really?
Oo.
Malupit.
Alika. Sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3. Uy, ang galing na sir.
Galing. Uy, salamat ha. Nagpapatawa lang po kami. Pero thank you guys. Salamat. Uy, si Angelo, ayan, nag-text pa siya ulit. Thank you guys. I'm so
Thank
honored to be
you.
featured sa inyong magandang radio channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Next time ulit sa pag yung feature natin yung isang song mo, yung
More.
Mango Shake.
Yeah,
Mango shake.
thank you.
Yeah.
Correct. Wait guys, invite them again tomorrow. We have a back-to-back episode. Of course, tomorrow.
Uy, oo nga pala.
Ganda ng episode
Oh,
natin
yeah.
ulit. Parenting tips for Gen Z.
Yeah, month-long
Ano ba?
anniversary celebration po ng Benny
Correct.
Davis Live.
Inaantok na si...
Gen Z.
And,
ang goal ko mo, malay. Ang bihira naman. Uy, nakalive pa tayo. Uy, okay lang ba? Magpapaalam na tayo, pero yung song ni Angelo, ang extra natin.
Oh, yeah.
Cool lang sa inyo.
yes,
Yeah, we
definitely.
Uy, guys, see you tomorrow and thank you so much for
Rendezvous,
everyone.
hello.
Guys.
Ron,
Hi,
hello.
Ron.
Thank you for watching. Yeah, and proud din ako na inspired ako nung ginagawa ko tong video na to kasi ang ganda
Galing mo.
ng song. Yung
Galing,
parang,
galing.
parang kang
Nakakatuwa
lumilipad.
din.
So,
Yeah.
yun, naisip ko yun.
Pati ng lipad.
Sir, namimihasa ka na.
Ay, sorry, sir.
Sir, i-com natin yan. May proposal kami. Wag kayo mag-alala.
Oo nga. Uy, shoutout ulit ha. Shoutout sa lahat naming fans, followers, and viewers. Thank you po sa inyo.
Yes.
Salamat sa oras nyo. Happy weekend. Shoutout sa mga may banks at sa may kulot.
Team replay.
I'll see you tomorrow po. Medyo maganda po yung pag-uusapan natin bukas
Ay, oo.
kasi relatable po to na para sa ating mga magulang.
Kaya nga. Salamat.
In celebration of Father's Day po.
Tama.
Kaya,
Ayun.
baka mami makatulog ako.
Uy, ingat kayo. Salamat po ulit sa oras nyo. Ingat.
Thank
Tina,
you
Johnny.
po. And
Thank you.
again, listen to Brother Angelo Defensor's composition.
Here we go.
Good night,
Uy,
good morning,
bago
good
tayo
afternoon.
magbabay. Isang sabay-sabay. No, mental wellness. Exercise natin yan.
Kung ano-ano napapauso natin.
Sensya na.
Bye.
Ayun, ingat ha. Bye.
Ay, sorry, may naalala ko. Okay, bye-bye.
Alam ko yung naalala mo, uy.
Golden skies, warm breeze, I'm feeling so alive. Footprints on the sand, chasing dreams with every tide. The sun is painting stories across the open sky. Laughter in the distance, sweet freedom in our eyes. Barefoot on the pavement, nowhere we need to be. Just me in the moment, wild and running free. I am loving summer, feel the fire in my soul. Dancing in the daylight, never letting go. Waves are calling louder, hearts are beating fast. I am loving summer, hope this feeling lasts. Frozen lemonade and sunsets in my hair. Fireworks and starlight, love is in the air. Windows down, we're singing every favorite song. With every little heartbeat, summer's where we belong. I am loving summer, feel the fire in my soul. Dancing in the daylight, never letting go. Waves are calling louder, hearts are beating fast. I am loving summer, hope this feeling lasts. No worries, no goodbyes, just oceans in our eyes. Every second's golden under endless skies. Hold on to this magic, don't let it slip away. Summer's in our hearts, forever it will stay. I am loving summer, feel the fire in my soul. Dancing in the daylight, never letting go. Waves are calling louder, hearts are beating fast. I am loving summer, hope this feeling lasts. I am loving summer, hope this feeling lasts. Golden skies, warm breeze, this is where I'm free. spring, summer, forever you and